2023 Dodge Challenger. This coupe is sleek and stylish with added comforts. It's cleverly designed to maximize convenience and comfort with features such as premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, rear spoiler, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls. Experience the difference. Test drive your dream car today.